Good evening, everyone. My name is Aakash Matlani. First of all, I would like to thank the LFC team for giving me the opportunity to be present here and talk about our experience. Second, I would just like to congratulate the entire LFC team for launch of ConnectFacts. So we've done one project with LFC already. I think one of the biggest challenges as a manufacturer that we faced before the project was right data, right management control systems and points, which is very, very important because I think in manufacturing today, there is a lot of reliance on people to prepare data, to prepare reports. All of this takes a lot of time, and the accuracy of this data is also questionable. If you have all of these information on a system base, you can control your businesses remotely, and you don't have to spend a lot of time. At least the senior management or the senior team, they don't have to spend a lot of time asking for data, going through reports. If such reports are very easily available, I'm sure their time can be saved, as we saw in the video earlier by some of the business leaders, and they can focus more on the future and the growth of an organization. So I think right data with right control points presented can definitely help business leaders take their business forward. I think one more point is if you have such good systems, your teams, they are self-equipped to solve the problems on their own and just come up with solutions by themselves. They don't have to spend a lot of time getting the right data, streamlining processes, and going up to senior bosses seeking solutions. So I would just say such systems really make, from a manufacturer's point of view, business processes and control points very smooth. So the senior team can look more towards the growth of the organization.